Are we in? We are in? We're in?
Hey, Brahms.
Welcome back to another episode.
That Cooking Show, a 21st century show from Earth, coming to you in 5074.
Fuck. I fucking hate this shit. Fuck. Okay, fuck. Okay, I gotta hide this shit. Fuck, hide this shit. Fuck.
I'm hungry today. What the? Yo, what you cooking today? Freaking, what's your name again?
That body?
Yo, bro, that dead body? What the
Is that dead body? Fuck yes it is. But hey, just chill for a minute, please. You gotta help me hide this shit.
Yo, I can't, bro. I can't do this again, man.
Hey, stop tripping.
Yo, bro, just like fucking mom and dad all over again,
fuck
man.
mom and dad.
Just forget, man. You know what?
I'll hide it. It'll be just like old time.
Yo, come back here. Hey, stop fucking recording. Stop fucking recording. Hey, Roms, I'm your host. And I'm gonna be filling in for Vaze today. So until he returns, which is never, I'm gonna be filling in for him. You gotta get your steak, your fries, your cheese, adobe and seasoned salt and pepper, pico and guac, and sour cream. Now, we're gonna salt and pepper that bitch up. Gonna adobe premiere that bitch. Chef that up real quick. Ooh, baby. Oh, fuck. Then we gonna dunk these fries in the screaming oil of hell. Golden, like Kim K's ass. This is the cloud ad for today.
Yo. Okay, I just got back. You've been doing the show, right?
Yes.
You got it, everything almost done for the meal?
Yes. I got this date, man. She's bad as fuck, bro. Help me out. Just serve us the food. I'm gonna get in good.
Now, let's put that meat on there with that cheese. Season it a little bit. That pico. Spread that. Spread it. Guacamole. Oh yeah. Guacamole. Sour cream.
Very good.
So how is it? How was your day? I thought we were done talking about that. I told you I don't know her. I really don't. I just want to have a nice meal. I'm wondering, like, how was your day if your day was nice? Maybe. Just enjoy your chocolate milk. Bitch, you really gonna try to kill me after I give you the world's finest chocolate milk? You gonna try to take me out?